inside, go inside! Sandstorm coming! What? No!
Mom, that's the sandstorm.
I see it. Run! Everyone run now!
Dad, I can't see. The sand is in my eyes. Hold my hand. Don't let go. I see the hotel. There.
Keep moving! Don't stop!
I'm here.
My friends, you need help, yes? Yes, please, we have nowhere to go. Come, I know what to do.
Dad, should we go with him?
Do you know a safe place? My city, my people. Trust me. Okay, big announcement! We're going to Dubai.
Dubai? That's in the desert. Are there camels? Tom, there are buildings that touch the clouds. Dad, can I ride a camel?
Yes, Tom, you can ride a camel.
This is the best day.
Dubai has the tallest building in the world.
We're going up it if you want. Mom, can I pack my own bag?
Yes, but check the list.
I don't need a list. I'm an expert. Tom, it's a desert. You pack no shorts.
I have socks.
Socks don't help in a desert, Tom. Fine. What do I need? Shorts, sunscreen, a hat. A hat
By rule number 1, stay together always.
always?
The city is very big, very easy to get lost.
Tom, rule number 2, no running off.
What if I see a camel running?
Then you tell us and we all go.
Dad, is Dubai safe?
Very safe, but we stay smart.
What does stay smart mean?
Stay smart means watch the weather, listen to local people, and never leave the group.
Excited or nervous?
Both. Is that okay?
That's exactly right for an adventure.
Mom, have you ever seen a sandstorm?
No, me neither.
I hope you don't. Mom! Dad! It's Dubai! Dad!
Tom, it is 4 in the morning.
I've been awake since 2. How long is the flight?
7 hours.
7 hours! Lily, what do we do for 7 hours? Sleep, Tom. I'm not tired at all.
Passports, tickets, all here.
Mom, this airport is so big. I see a plane. That one is ours. Why do I have to take off my shoes?
Rules, little man.
What if my socks have a hole? I can't resist ramp. Are we there yet?
3 more hours, Tom.
You said that an hour ago. Mom, it's so hot.
I know, isn't it amazing?
It feels like oven.
All right, team, let's find our taxi.
Dad, I see a camel.
Where?
It's gone, but I saw it. Mom, it's like a palace.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
There's a pool, Dad.
Dad, come look at this. Wow.
It looks like the future. Mom, the shower has 10 buttons.
Don't touch all of them.
I already touched 6.
Oh, look at these spices. Mom, this place smells amazing.
I see gold! There's so much gold!
Young man, you like dates? Try one. What is a date?
Sweetest fruit in the desert.
It's really good, actually.
What does it taste like?
Like a caramel that became fruit. Good morning, friends. First time in Dubai? Yes, it's beautiful. Welcome. My name is Hassan. Where do you go today?
The Burj Khalifa!
And maybe the desert. You check the sky today.
The sky?
This time of year, sandstorms can come fast. Really? Like in the movies? Bigger than movies. Much bigger.
How do you know when one is coming?
Fly away first. If you see orange sky, go inside. Fast.
Can I see a sandstorm?
You do not want to see one, little man.
I think I do.
We are above the clouds. I feel like a bird. A very scared bird.
Dad, I can see the desert from here.
That's right. It goes on forever.
It looks quiet.
Are you happy you came?
This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
I agree.
I have been waiting my whole life for this pool!
You're 7, Tom. 7 long years.
Mom, remember what Hassan said about the sky?
The sandstorm warning?
Should we check the sky?
The sky looks fine, sweetheart. Blue and sunny. Nothing to worry about.
Okay, if you say so. Mom, Dad, go! Mom, Dad! Ah!
Hold the handle. He is gentle.
His name is Jeff. I named him Jeff. Is the camel okay with all this?
Yes, he loves
He's
people.
thinking very deep thoughts.
Beautiful place out here.
Yes, but sir, I think you should go back to city soon.
Dad, that sky looks a little orange.
It's just the sunset, sweetheart. Can we go again tomorrow?
Dinner tonight. Shall we try local food?
Dates again? Tom, there's more food than dates.
Go inside! Go inside! Sandstorm coming! What? No!
Mom, that's the sandstorm.
I see it. I see it. Move, Graham.
Dad! I can't see! The sand is in my eyes!
Run! Everyone run now!
Hold my hand, don't let go! I can't see the sand!
Pull your shirt over your face!
I see the hotel! There!
Keep moving! Don't stop!
I'm here, Dad!
Everyone here, count!
Lily, Tom, Amy, I'm here. We're all here.
Was do get that she cute if lacy lights be? Would you go out?
Lily, we were in a real sandstorm. I know. Are you okay? I got sand in my ear. Is that cool?
I should have listened. Hassan warned us.
The shopkeeper, too.
Lily saw the orange sky.
Lily, you saw the orange sky first.
I told you it looked orange.
You were right. I should have listened.
It's okay, Dad. We're all safe.
Because of your warning, we ran in time.
Because of the shopkeeper, really.
Something smells wrong.
What is that smell?
Everyone stay in your rooms, please!
Mom, can we order room service?
Tom, there's a sandstorm outside.
I know, but I'm hungry. Mom, I smell something.
It's probably the sandstorm.
No, it smells like burning.
Excuse me, is everything okay?
Small electrical issue on floor 7, sir.
Electrical? Should we be worried? Amy, I think we should stay down here.
Why? Our room is on 6.
I don't know yet, just a feeling. Everyone! 5 inches, move it!
Hold on tight, we're almost there. Mom, Hassan!
Stay close. Hold Tom's hand.
This way! Follow the green signs!
Are we going to be okay?
Yes, just keep moving.
What floor are we on?
Oh, I can't.
Ma'am, take my arm. I've got you.
My room, my things.
Oh, you're very kind.
Don't worry. We take care of people.
I can see that.
Ben, we have nothing.
We have each other. That's enough right now.
You're right.
All our stuff is in there.
It's okay. It's just stuff.
But Jeff is in there.
Tom, Jeff is just a toy.
Jeff is family.
Jeff is a camel toy.
Phones are down. Hotel is evacuated. We need to find somewhere safe tonight.
Ben, what do we do?
My friends, you need help, yes? Yes, please, we have nowhere to go. Come, I know what to do.
Dad, should we go with him?
Do you know a safe place? Try city. Where are you taking us?
My brother has a guest house, small but clean.
Your brother?
Hassan, do you have camels?
My brother has one. Her name is Fatima.
Is she nice? Hassan, you warned us about the sandstorm.
Yes, I did.
I'm sorry we didn't listen more carefully.
You saw the orange sky. You spoke up. But sometimes young voices are not heard.
That's not fair.
So what do we do, little one?
Even if no one listens,
Speak louder. We speak again. We don't stop.
especially then.
Brother, come in, come in.
They need somewhere safe tonight. Then they are welcome. Come in.
Excuse me, Hassan said you have a camel.
Fatima, and meet her. I told you Dubai was amazing.
I have lamb, rice, fresh bread. Please eat.
This smells wonderful.
Yes, please, a lot.
Hassan, we don't know how to thank you. In Dubai, we say a guest is a gift from God. What a beautiful thing to say.
Hassan, why did you come to help us?
You were lost. I knew the way.
Is that enough reason?
When I was young, I was lost in the desert.
So now you help.
Strangers. So now you helped yours.
Mom, this is the best night of the whole trip.
Really? With the sands of those things, not in spite of them.
I should have listened more carefully to your warning. The storm, my daughter saw it. I didn't believe her. Your daughter is very wise. She's 7. Wisdom has no age requirement.
Not exactly the hotel room.
I like this better. The pillow smells like flowers. Maybe Khalid will give me a new camel. Tom, you can't ask that. Can be very subtle. Jeff was very brave today. He was? He stayed in the hotel. All alone. Very brave. Maybe Khalid will give me a new camel. Tom, you can't ask that. Can be very subtle. A real camel. In the house.
For you, say hello to Fatima.
Hello, Fatima. Tom, she likes you.
I know. We have a connection. She is very gentle, like Tom. Hello? Yes, this is Ben Watson. The fire is out, our bags are safe?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Tom, the hotel called.
Yeah?
Jeff is safe. He stayed very brave all night.
Going to tell my grandchildren about last night.
A good story needs a sandstorm.
And 2 very good men.
I told you he was brave.
He looks the same, he's not even scared.
Lily, I owe you an apology.
For what?
You saw the orange sky? I didn't listen.
Why didn't you listen?
I thought I knew better. Because I'm the dad.
But you don't always know better.
You're right. Know better. And I should listen. Always.
I'll keep telling you things.
What do we do with our last day?
I want to go back to Hassan's.
Yeah.
Me too. You came back.
We brought you something.
For me?
You saved us. This is for saving us.
I didn't save you.
You led us, that's the same thing.
Hassan, I'll speak louder next time.
Next time?
When I see orange sky, or anything like it.
And you, for the girl who watches the sky.
It's beautiful.
Lily got a camel. I carried a life.
I don't want to go home.
Me neither.
Then let's come back.
Dad, did you know Dubai would be like this?
No, Tom, I really didn't.
The best things are never like you planned, are they?
Look, the desert.
Fatima is down there somewhere. And Hassan. And Khalid.
What was your best moment?
Khalid's table, all of us together.
Mine too.
I keep thinking about what Lily said.
Which thing?
The best night because of the things that went wrong.
Jeff, we're going home. You and me, we survived.
Mom, can we call Hassan? He gave Dad his number. I want to tell him we got home safe.
Lily, when you see something, tell me. Oh,
Even if you're busy?
especially if I'm busy.
Speak louder. Speak again. Don't stop.
A sandstorm and a fire in one night? And we had nowhere to stay. Yes, but it was the best trip of my life.